Setting up inside on a big day can pay off in a big way. We'll show you how the local San Diego surfers beat the crowds and still catch the best waves. And our drone pilots will show you some amazing clips. Waves of the Week, San Diego. Hey, thanks for coming by. And please give us a like or a comment on the way out. See you next week.